Assalamu alaikum. Assalam to all the Bengali, Bangladesh people. This is your African people here, African boys. Myself, Gabs Gabi from South Sudan, and this is
Muhib from Sudan.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Also Sudan and South Sudan, they speak Arabic, guys. So if you guys are interested to
know more about our country, drop your comment. And if you want us next time to make reaction to Bangladesh people in Arabic, we'll be so happy. We'll translate down by English.
We can speak Arabic. So نتمنى كل جماعة
كل عام وانتم بخير.
كل عام وانتم بخير. Bangladesh people are celebrating the Independence Day.
51.
51 Independence. Happy Independence Day.
Independence Day.
Yeah. نتمنى لكم السلامة
والصحة
والعافية. Peace and harmony. Yeah. So we are going to react to the capital city, Dhaka. We want to know also Dhaka. Does it have a meaning?
I don't guess so.
If what does it mean? Is it or
no.
If it is in Bengali word, then it has a meaning.
Yeah.
But if it doesn't have meaning, no problem. We are just curious to know, guys.
Maybe it's just name.
Maybe it's just a name, no problem.
I have no idea. Drop your comment.
The capital city of Sudan is Khartoum, and capital city of South Sudan is Juba.
We are called Zuba.
Yeah, Juba. So we are going to see your capital city, Dhaka.
Yeah.
Don't forget, like this video. This is our new reaction channel.
Yeah.
We are so happy to be reacting on Bengali people. Suggest other videos and join the family, guys. Join our family.
And go to our vlog channel.
Yeah, vlog channel. We do also vlogging.
Yeah.
Follow our vlogging channel. And without wasting time, let's go. The best music out there.
I want the song.
This is Dhaka, guys.
This is Dhaka. I wish I go here.
It's kind of a green place. It's a green every time.
Yeah.
Greenery
You can
city.
see the tree.
The tree are
Yes.
like every building I'm seeing tree.
Wow.
Oh, they have.
So amazing. They have river.
Wow, nice. This can be
This
a
river or lake?
This is more than a river. This is not river.
Like
This can be like a
ocean.
can be a Nile.
Yeah. River Nile.
Yeah.
But I just see like lake, small lake or something like that. What do you think?
Wow, it's nice. That is why they have a lot of easy way of import and export.
Yeah.
Because they
that's
use
why.
cheap.
Yeah, that's
Just
the only
use cheap,
reason.
like that only.
So that's why it's better than Pakistan. Is this
Yeah.
one?
Easy way of importing.
Wow, this country is really amazing.
They have church also. I think Christian people are there. Hindu. This is temple.
Temple for Hindu and Muslim.
Oh, see, this view is so amazing. It's just like a lake, something.
This view is taken breathe.
Buddha, right?
Buddha,
Yeah, Buddha.
Muslim, Allahu Akbar. Muslim.
Wow, see this view?
See the view.
Just matching like all together, same view.
I can't believe this. They took us and they made it for 51 years ago.
Already the city is just super amazing.
Too amazing. Just looking like a wow.
It's just looking
Like a wow. Oh my god.
Wow.
Maybe if we have chance, we are going to visit this country.
Yeah. I wish we are now in India, man.
Yeah. It's too close for us.
Yeah, they are not far.
See?
This view,
This view is really amazing. Really beautiful.
greenery city, man, so nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful. There's no population, I guess. Yeah, the people.
It's well arranged.
Yeah, well, the view from
Wow.
masjid.
This is like masjid, yeah.
Yeah, it's just like for Muslim prayer. It's close to Taj Mahal, this place.
Yeah, it's looking like Taj Mahal in India.
Yeah. Musa. No, Shiva or
No. I think this is one of the famous thing in
the whole world.
yeah in the city.
In the city.
This is the night view.
Ah, it's like you.
Wow.
darkness and light. It's really amazing.
Wow, I think tomorrow the city will be like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Independent Day.
I guess it's more beautiful than that because yeah.
Okay, guys, it was really amazing. Like, it's my first time seeing the
Dhaka
city, guys. Like, what I can say about the city is eco-friendly. Eco-friendly, like, it's not like, okay, I'm going to compare it to Mumbai, guys.
That's what I'm going to ask you.
Compare it to Mumbai. Like, why is Dhaka is more better than Mumbai? Like, how is it eco-friendly? Because you see, in every places, every distance I'm seeing, there's trees there.
Yeah.
Trees are there, which is something good, like to avoid to reduce the heat.
And view, nice view.
Yeah, it has nice view, and I didn't see that much of crowd.
Exactly.
Traffic.
Exactly.
Not that much. I know Mumbai is a big city, that's why it's too much traffic. But what I didn't see in Mumbai, like, it's not that green city. It's not a green city that much. I know in some places Mumbai is kind of a green city, but still both the city are better. I'm not trying to say like which one is better. I'm just comparing to tell you the difference.
Yeah.
I'm telling you the difference.
Good, yeah.
I'm speaking in eco-friendly for a human being. If you believe in that, it's okay. But I'm not just trying to comparing how the city should be.
How the difference between this city and that town.
Yeah, it's kind of a difference and eco-friendly way. Every human being, they need a good place, right?
Yeah.
Place where they feel comfortable. Yeah, they don't feel like the city is polluted or maybe the weather, climate is not good. We all won't accept that. But yeah.
And one more thing, the building in Bangladesh is huge.
Yeah, it's huge.
Good building.
And well arranged. It's well arranged. The architecture is good. The buildings are good, and the night view is super amazing. I can see.
And the city look like it's clean.
Yeah.
It's not dirty.
It look clean, man.
Clean.
What I love the more, like the view of that lake, like you see.
Yeah.
And then the sheep moving in between. You feel like you are.
And the darkness, the light. When the night comes, that light, small light.
Yeah. The night view is super amazing, guys.
And one more thing, the masjid, and temple.
The temple.
Lot of temple.
They have a lot of sacred worship place also there.
And there is building like Taj Mahal.
There is one place I can tell you is just looking like Dhaka here in India. I can compare that. Which state I can say
Delhi.
Maybe not Delhi, but in Delhi I can say like Greater Noida. I can say Greater Noida.
Okay.
Greater Noida city is also looking just like the
What about Kerala?
Even Kerala has little similarity to Dhaka, guys. I can see that because Kerala also the people love planting.
Yeah. Like even over African people, just they go for holiday there. They spend our holiday in like Delhi or Kerala. So Kerala is similarly close to Bangladesh.
Yeah. So like India for me is just like a continent.
Yeah.
India, you can never say India is bad. Like in general, you can't say India is bad.
No.
You can say maybe like for example, you can say this state is not good, but this is good. But in general, I will not believe someone who will tell India is bad.
India is never bad.
India has a lot of different states.
Maybe
so many states.
This state is not good, but
that
another one is
good.
Nice.
It's the same to the Indian food also. So many food.
Spicy food.
You want spicy, you want non-spicy.
You want sweet food.
You will find like India is just for us. India is something big. We are currently in India.
Not like
continent. Continent. India is just like a continent. And we are currently in India. We are so happy living. Yeah, we are staying in Andhra Pradesh, and we are so happy because the life in Andhra Pradesh, it's affordable, guys. Living in Andhra Pradesh is affordable compared to the big cities like Mumbai,
Bangalore,
or Delhi, like that.
Hyderabad.
Big city always they have a lot of noise, pollution, traffic, a lot of problem. Even crime can be more there.
You are not suffering this thing, crime and traffic, not like you went to Delhi or Bangalore.
Yeah.
So it's too nice.
So this is our own opinion point according to the 4K of Dhaka, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Tell us what you want us also to learn from Bangladesh.
Which language? Drop your comment there.
Yeah, we want to learn some Bengali word, guys.
Yeah.
Teach us some Bengali word. Drop the comment.
But be careful to write by English.
Yeah, write Bengali and with English together.
Yeah.
Love from Africa. Love you all. All the best for Bangladesh. All the best India. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
Salam.